How to forget a Wi-Fi network on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Wi-Fi. In here, tap on the Information button right next to the name of your Wi-Fi. And then at the top, tap on Forget this network. Next is so that your iPhone and other devices using iCloud keychain will no longer join this Wi-Fi network. So tap on the Forget button. And that's it. Now that network has been removed. If you want to connect to that network again, you need to re-enter the password. So here, I'm trying to scan for that network. My phone is now not picking up that network anymore. So I will simply try to switch it off. Turn off Wi-Fi and then turn it back on, and hopefully my phone will be able to scan that network. So there it is, LR 5G. If I tap on it, I can now re-enter the Wi-Fi password. Once you put in the password, you can tap on the join button to join that Wi-Fi network. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.